Welcome back. The Panaji JMFC court has directed Panaji police to register FIR and to investigate into the case against Congress and BJP for alleged foreign funding. The JMFC court has also issued notices of contempt against PI, DYSP and SP of Crime Branch for not registering the FIR. Complainant has also contended that mining leases cannot be given to CESA as it is a company. As per law, leases can only be given to individuals.
The Panaji JMFC court in a recent order has directed Panaji police to register FIR against Congress Party and Bharatiya Janata Party for alleged foreign funding. Activist Kashinath Chetye had approached the court seeking direction to police to investigate his claim that both Congress and BJP have accepted foreign funding from CESA.
So it has been said that prima facie, even the election, I will read the order for you. Find that it appears that CESA Goa Limited is subsidiary of Vedanta Resources with head office in UK, England. I also find that political parties mentioned herein received funding from the foreign companies through Indian subsidiary. Prima facie, even the Election Commission of India has found this to be in violation of the provision of Representation of Peoples Act 1951 and Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 1976 replaced by Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010. Hence, the PI Panjim is directed to register FIR against the concerned political parties and investigate the matter within 7 days.
Kashinath Chetye has also contended that mining leases cannot be given to CESA Goa as it is a company and as per law, leases can only be given to individuals. In another matter, the JMFC court has also issued notices of contempt of court against PI, DYSP and SP of Crime Branch for not registering FIR, thus ignoring court's direction in dual citizenship case. He also pointed out that Crime Branch has not registered the case against two BJP MLAs Glenn Tiklo and Kaito Silva and two police officers for having dual citizenship.
Why a FIR should not be registered on PI Gaonkar, SP Niru Raut Desai and SP Kurtarkar for not registering FIR on dual citizenship on two MLAs and two police officers.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Former Home Minister Ravi Naik has reacted sharply on allegations levied by Sanatan Sanstha. He said he had ordered inquiry in capacity as a Home Minister. Police did their job as they had found prima facie evidence. Sanatan Sanstha had alleged that Goa police falsely implicated them on the directions of then Home Minister Ravi Naik.
हे पळयत आसतना बेश्टे बदनाम करपाचे आनी म्हाका फोकसींग करून मतां घेवपाचे फुडले अशें कोणाचें तरी हे आसा जाल्यार चुकीचें समज आसा जाल्यार हे चुकीचें आसा. लोकांक फूल करूं नाका, पब्लिकाक फूल करची न्हू, पब्लिकाक फटोवची न्हू कोणीच, कारण हे पब्लिकाक फटोवपाचें काम. म्हण अशे वेळार म्हाजें नांव परते येता तें तेणी घेवचें न्हू. कोणीय ते आसा समर्थक आसा सनातन संस्थेचे किंवा सनातनाचे किंवा त्यांचे समर्थक आसा तेणी म्हाजें नांव घेवचें न्हू. कित्याक हांव हितून कित्याकच ना, हांवें कोणूय पळया तुमी खंय अशें घडलेलें खंयच्या हितून कोणी तर कितें करता आशिल्ले, इन्क्वायरी करता आशिल्ले, कोणूय आसूं आशिल्लो, खंयचो गृहमंत्री आसूं आशिल्लो, खंयचो मुख्यमंत्री आसूं आशिल्लो, तेचें कर्तव्य आतां ही इन्क्वायरी असली तरेची इन्क्वायरी जेन्ना हजारांनी लोक मारपाचे आनी जेन्ना हें जाता तेव्हा ती इन्क्वायरी करचीच पडटा.
Acquitted accused in Margaon blast case has alleged that Goa police falsely implicated them and tortured them to admit role in the alleged blast conspiracy. They will soon petition the High Court seeking compensation and will also file complaint before state police. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. Builder of controversial Aldia de Goa complex at Bambuli has alleged that the construction plan submitted before the High Court is missing from the court's records. Builder has requested the court to conduct an inquiry. Company has also alleged that petitioners have submitted forged construction plan claiming to be obtained through the RTI. The High Court is currently hearing the matter related to alleged CRZ violation by the project. During the hearing of a petition before the High Court on Thursday, Goa Real Estate and Construction Limited alleged that original construction plan of their project Aldia de Goa is missing from the High Court's records. Alleging a conspiracy against them, the builders have requested the High Court to hold an inquiry in the matter. Builder of Aldea de Goa also alleged that the construction plan submitted by the petitioners, Goa Foundation and People for Civic Action is forged. Builders allege that petitioners have stated that the construction plan was obtained through RTI, but government record shows that they never applied for a plan. Builders also stated that the plan submitted by petitioners was never obtained by them. Petitioners have alleged that Aldea de Goa at Bambuli has violated CRZ norms. Petitioners have also alleged that builders have constructed the project beyond permitted plan. The final hearing in this matter is underway before the High Court. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.